Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add apps and silence notifications for personal focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Personal. Then in the personal focus, click apps under the notifications, and as you will see in the notifications, you will see a positive sign under the silence notifications from, and all you have to do is just click it to add the applications that you want. For example, I want to add GCash and FaceTime. Just click it until there's a check mark on the small circle on the side. And if you're done, just click done. And your applications is on the list. And that's it. We have successfully added apps and silence notifications for personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.